Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague, Raleigh, North Carolina. This is Toyota Jeff Reviews. Please hit subscribe if you're new. This is the 2022 Toyota Venza Limited. I'm going to show you some reasons why I like it and why I think you might want to consider it. If you're looking for a vehicle that is smooth, quiet, comfortable, luxury, and plain, I find Venza to be smooth, quiet, comfortable, luxury, very Lexus-like, if I can use that term, and it averages nearly 40 miles a gallon. As I said, this is Venza Limited. We'll walk around it. This one's in Blizzard Pearl, and it has one very unique, very special upgrade on it, the Star Gaze fixed panoramic roof. It's a way to get, we don't want to call it a moonroof because it doesn't open specifically to the air. That is so incredibly modern and cool looking. But with this one right here, yes, it needs a wash. Car wash isn't open today. With that roof, you can look clear through it, or you can have that frosted appearance. Matthew McConaughey, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. Frost yourself. I'll show you how it looks clear in just a minute, but let's look at the rest of the interior. I see JBL sound system there. This is the vehicle that I have, just minus the Stargaze roof. Mine is in gray with that same light gray interior. So first, let's open it up and check engine performance. This is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that's matched with electric motor power, and it gives you 219 net hybrid horsepower. That's the same output that a RAV4 hybrid would give you. Matched with an electronically controlled CVT, it also has electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, so it drives like a front-wheel drive vehicle. The front wheels do really all the work, and then you can distribute power to the back when it loses traction. When it has wheel slippage, then all the wheels can do some form of work, and then it, of course, is all-wheel drive. It also has the hood blanket here, which is good soundproofing material. The prop rod, it's pushed over to the side so that if you want to do some work, you can do that, and the rod isn't in your way. There's a bug in my face. The result is smooth, quiet, comfortable. It has good acceleration. I don't think you'll struggle to get onto a highway on time, go up a hill, pull out into traffic, because it does have a power mode. It has eco mode, EV mode for electric vehicle, and normal mode. So you can do all sorts of things to give you more power, more acceleration, more oomph for racing at Thunder Road. Or you can get in eco mode, which gives you better gas mileage, and you might be above that 39 combined, which, by the way, is 40 in the city, 37 on the highway, 39 combined. It's a 14.5 gallon fuel tank. And then let's take a look at the front end in closer detail. We're gonna see LED headlights, daytime running light accents. Then we've got LED fog lights as well, along with this chrome accent piece. I know it needs to be washed. It wasn't possible today. Has parking sensors, so if you get close to something in the front and also in the back, it'll alert you. Beep, 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 beep. This is for the bird's eye view camera, so that we can see around the vehicle in an overhead model. Pretty clear picture as well. Look at these vertical lines here. That's just really trippy. And then look at the angle here. It's bold, it's cut, it's chiseled right here, like, It's luxury, but it also has some muscle to it, baby. Along with that front camera, we're gonna see mirrors that have cameras right there. Also puddle lights that say Venza when it is dark out and you approach your car. So we're looking at that camera there. We're looking at this camera here. And then we'll complete the circle, and the next camera is here. So remember, if you see two of these, that's the camera, that's the puddle lamp, puddle light that actually says V-E-N-Z-A, Z-A, right here. And there's really gonna be no way to see this but we do have this right here, so you can see that it is the puddle light, the puddle lamp. And if you want to think, well, what does this compare to? Think of something Lexus RX like. It's just beautiful. The profile, the styling, the aerodynamics. She's beauty, and she's grace. She's Miss United States. All right, 14.5 gallon fuel tank here. And then look at these alloy wheels here. These are chrome wheels. These are the same ones that you'll see on an XLE. So it's kind of hard to tell between a Limited and an XLE, but these are the 19-inch ones, 225 55 R19 hike. We've got color key door handles here, chrome window surround, and then it has the smart key push button start, which means that I can open it with the key, including the back tailgate, but it's hands-free, so I can whoosh, kick. I can also just open it with the door handle, and then we also have these power folding mirrors, like that, like that, like that. Whoa! It also has turn signal indicators right here, very bright. They sweep across here so you can see it from the front, from the side. It's helpful to other drivers and you. And then it also comes with blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert and braking. There's the blind spot right there. It lights up orange color right where you're looking to see if anybody's there. And then this has helped me out from time to time. This cutout window here, it allows you to see around this first A-pillar, better visibility, better safety. You can see it over on the passenger side, how it helps. Plane. And then check out these LED taillights. They go all the way across, very modern. Dual chrome pipes, parking sensors, and this chrome accent piece. Let's back it up. And as we back up, I'm going to turn on my flashers so you can see. Turn on my turn signal. And then look at the lights at the top of the glass, the bottom. Got a lot to see, my friends. All right. And Toyota set up a really cool system here for the hands-free power liftgate. You know, you've got this secret handshakes. Well, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to do the Cobra Kai kick, and then you want to do the sprinkler, and then you want to shimmy, you want to shake, you want to do, it's not unusual to be loved by anyone. And then you come over here and you kick. And that's the 4-step procedure for opening this up. Now, closing it is going to be a little bit different because all you're going to do is probably the same thing you'd normally do when you're opening it, is just like that. Like you're up next in kickball, 4th grade class, you're like, I'm kicking it onto the school roof. We're going to have to climb up and get it. That's all you got to do. Pa-ching! Like that. You just got to get closer. And then when we have this open, just look at all the space that's available to you here. It's wide, it's tall. If you want more space, get a bigger vehicle. But this should do it for most, especially if you have a second car that has more cargo space, like a midsize SUV or a larger SUV, minivan. So let's lower these. Lower these. Now look, we've got a ton of space that we can use, and you can just take this off, and now we got a lot. Should I get in? Should I get in? I see JBL speaker there. Like an inchworm. That was the most awkward way of getting into a vehicle of all time here. Now, it's not the tallest, so get my mic out here. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to crisscross applesauce, meditate like this, but that's an example of what a 5'8" person can do in the back. Let's take a look at legroom space for the back seat. This is with the seat more forward and tilted straight up. Plenty of legroom here. I'm 5'8", like I said. I do have some clearance. And then you can also recline the seat as well. And that gives you a little bit more headroom too, just a little bit. This has a little bit of a hump a raised section, so you'd have to put your feet around. We'd straddle. All right, the seats are very comfortable, really comfortable. In fact, this is with the seat a little bit more reclined, a little bit more back. Again, plenty of space for back seat, folks. Really comfy. In fact, if I had to describe what's the one thing you love most about Venza, it's the seats. They're so comfy. Soft touch material here, the accent stitching, and then we've got that simulated wood grain here, but it's classy, it's subtle, it's understated, I think. So we've got latches for child safety seats. Nice comfy armrest with cup holders. The latches are down there, you can see them. Pockets on both sides, like that. Rear air vents, and also 2 rear USB ports. Let's look at the frosted glass. I'm going to show you how to change that. Give you a hint. See that flashing red light up there? That's where it is. Right up in that section. So let's look from the back. Look at that 12.3-inch screen. I love mine. I do wish it had a knob for volume and for tuning, but it doesn't. So we work with what we have. That would be a big improvement for me. And I haven't seen the 23 Venza yet, so I don't know if it's going to have that or not. It might. I just don't know that. Here are the front seats. We've got 2 memory seats, little accent piece here. This is for the mirrors, power foldings, like that. Venza, this actually illuminates. There we go, we can see that. Venza. Okay, hood, gasoline. That's for the 360 bird's eye view camera, the heated steering wheel, automatic high beams I see. Traction control on and off, brightness of the dash, power liftgate. We've got the leather wrapped steering wheel, that raised screen. I enjoy that. It's got Qi wireless charging pad. What can we do with this power passenger seat? Well, we can go forward, we can go backward. We cannot go up and down, and we cannot twist it. So it's a 4-way. 1 way, 2 ways, back of the seat, 4 ways. It's like in the movie Something About Mary. 7-minute abs. This is one of the hardest angles to get when you're filming. I can go forward, backwards. See, there's no good place to put the camera, really. I can go up. So if I'm shorter, now I can see up higher. I can also go down, and then I can also twist it. And watch this seat kind of twist as I go up now. Like that, and then the back of the seat as well. Is there lumbar support? You betcha. Oh, hey, how you doing? Just kidding, sort of. Here's the blind spot monitor. Ooh, Venza. This is a 7-inch multimedia touchscreen, so we can see all sorts of information about our vehicle. Let's go through it just a little bit for you. Music, of course. That's all-wheel drive, so you can see when it's using front wheel power, when it's using back wheel power. These are for our safety features. Oh, by the way, let me show you this real quick. Go over to settings, hold down the OK, just like that. Now push power back door. If it's not working, it's probably on system settings off. So push this, and now it's on. Now let's talk about this 2-section Star Gaze Panoramic fixed roof. It's dirty because I haven't washed it, but here's what we do. We want to go ahead and push this to close it if we want to close, but we're going to leave it open. Here's what we do. We're not always going to look at frostedness, we'll call it. Right here, watch this. We're going to push this. Oh, all right. All right. I'm feeling you, dog. Frost yourself. Clear. Frost yourself. clear. Frost yourself, clear. That's cool. It keeps it cooler too. Oh, digital rear view mirror, regular. Digital rear view mirror, regular. Holla. All right. Now I gotcha. Lighted mirrors with sliders. This is for your safety connect here. If you want to use it, you pull down that little panel there, bink, turn it on. Welcome to Safety Connect. Do you have an emergency? Nope, I'm good. Let's go backward here. We're checking out the bird's eye view camera. Change the orientation. We can take away our lines if we don't want it. All right, so let's put it into forward motion. We're gonna hit the bird's eye view camera button, and now up to about 6 miles an hour, you can look what's going on in front of you. What's going on? Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. All right. Let me get some air going in here. And then we can see this right here. You can change like that. You can swipe. So I can see the temperature. I can see heated seats, cooled seats. Ooh, I like it. We've got radio, information about the vehicle when we're using battery, recharging when we're using electric motor power, when we're using the engine. Pretty neat. That's for your all-wheel drive. All right, very cool. Nice. Let me show you home real quick. Home, home. Let me show you menu. Setup, customize home screen. We can have 3 pieces of information. We can have 4, 2, 3. It's up to what you want. Do 4. And then when we go back to our home screen, it'll have 4 pieces of information, just like that. Oh, it's so hot here. Ugh. Might be hotter where you are, I don't know. It's getting hot in here. I am getting too hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off. All right, so here's our information to go through the keypad, phone, voice commands, radar cruise control, lane departure alert, cruise settings, push button start. I think we've done just about everything we need to do. Heated seats, cooled seats. Got our 12-volt circular port in here, and then frost, clear, frost. The window sticker tells all. Pricing, specs, Venza Limited, made in Japan, Blizzard Pearl 2022. Has really strong safety ratings. Here's the fuel mileage I was telling you about. Now we're gonna go here and look what's standard on a Venza Limited. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, 8 different airbags. You can stop the camera anytime you want to, stop the video, so you can see what's standard on here. 9 JBL speakers. This one starts at $40,700. You add in the premium paint color for Blizzard, the Stargaze fixed roof, $1,400. Get it delivered to the dealerships, and then it'll have no options, some options, many options from the regional assembly port to kind of finish things off. And then this one will be $44,981. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please follow my channels. I've got 2 of them. Toyota Jeff Reviews, hit subscribe. Auto Jeff Reviews looks at all brands. That's a newer channel. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. Then eventually we're gonna get to 120,000 like we've almost got on Toyota Jeff. So go to Auto Jeff Reviews, just click that link, hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And then I'm on TikTok and Instagram. You'll see something on this, Toyota Jeff Reviews and Auto Jeff Reviews. What do you think of Venza? Write down in the comment section. See you next time.